Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Solder connector assortment from Parkside, included 60 pieces. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. In a lovely case with the manuals, 4 different sizes, 10 of these, 0.25 to 0.34 millimeter. Red color 20 from 0.5 to 1 millimeter, blue another 20 from 1.5 to 2.5 millimeter, and the large yellow 10 of these 4 to 6 millimeter. So let me start with the red, and I will use the cables obviously 1 millimeter. I have made a video and for this Parkside tool. We need to insert that inside. Perfect. A little bit more. So tight it very well. Insert this inside. Heat gun. And let's see the magic happen. As the soldering is melting. Wow, that is amazing. Waterproof, and my God, it's very strong. That is the correct way to join 2 cables. And just to see the differences, how was the solder inside. And now we can see here is all over the cable. Oh wow, that is very strong. Just love it. I need to have more of this, definitely. So what can we try now? The smaller? Yeah, why not? Again, 2 cables. Insert this area inside. The one end. It is very tight, but no worries. Give it a good twist and then insert and we need the solder at the middle. Perfect. Heat gun again. Perfect. Look the results. The solder is it evenly at the copper. And again, to have a comparison, beautiful. That is very strong. 2 cables. Now let's try the blue with a 2.5 millimeter cable, thicker cable. Insert that all the time. First insert that. Now the cables are already cutted, so you need to insert it before removing the insulation of the cable. Nice. And then again insert that at the middle. Try not to cut too much insulation from the cable. Heat gun. Warm up your heat gun for 10 seconds and then use it. Oh, that is perfect. That is very good. And again, to make a comparison, I like it. It is very warm, so just leave it to cool down. And we can move on at the 4 millimeter, the larger. Insert that inside. Okay, let's cut here. I think it is enough. And try to connect both cables. Okay, nice. Insert that. The middle, perfect. And now I will try with a lighter. I think with a lighter is better. Or not. Well, I give it a test. We have seen how it works with the other 3. And there's the results. Let's try it with a heat gun. Well, what do you think? Lighter or heat gun? What is the better way? Leave your thoughts down below in the comments. Oh my god, that is so hard. You can remove that. So if you are tired of dragging out a heavy soldering iron, waiting for it to heat up, and wrestling with messy electrical tape that unreveals over time, this kit is an absolute game changer. The way the inner solder ring melts at heat while the outer sleeve shrinks and seals the connection against moisture is a pure genius. Wow, that is very strong. Thanks for watching, work safely, keep building, and I'll see you in the next one.